Snoring in kids, it's not normal. If your child is snoring at bedtime, this could be a sign of a much deeper problem. When it comes to kids, this is a much bigger issue. When there is airway restriction for these little ones, this is causing not only a disruption in their sleep, but a lack of oxygen to their brain. When this is happening, there is lack of growth hormone released during that sleep time. That is critical, not only for their mental, but also for their physical growth. So if your child is snoring, or not even snoring, if you can even hear their breath during sleep, there's a sound of any kind, it's in something to be checked for. So I really want you to look and listen to your child when they're sleeping and see if there's any sounds at all.